In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 10 types of online businesses that you can start. Now, there are definitely a lot more than 10, but we'll be exploring these particular 10 in this video. My goal is to help you eliminate the obstacles that are preventing you from starting and growing your online business. So if you're trying to decide what type of online business that you can get started on, but you're overwhelmed and stuck in indecision and analysis paralysis, then you definitely want to stay tuned. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, first up on the list is the ever-popular e-commerce store. By selling physical or digital products through an online platform, you can cater to a global audience 24/7. Platforms like Shopify and a host of others make it easy to set up your online store. And you can either create your own products or you can use drop shipping to sell other people's items. Remember, catering to a specific customer type is key to success in this competitive market, as opposed to running a general product store. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This business model involves partnering with companies to promote their products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can create a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account where you can share product reviews, tutorials, or product recommendations. Just make sure you choose a topic that you're highly interested in and focus on providing valuable content to your audience. The third idea is blogging. If you love writing and sharing your knowledge, you can monetize your blog through various methods such as display advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. To succeed, it is essential to produce high-quality content consistently and promote your blog through social media and other online channels. Up next are online courses. If you have experience or are interested in learning about a particular subject or skill, creating and selling online courses is an excellent way to generate income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it simple to design, host, and sell your online courses. Just remember, creating engaging and high-quality content is crucial to attracting and retaining students. Speaking of sharing knowledge, starting a YouTube channel is another great online business idea. You can make videos on virtually any topic, from tutorials and product reviews to vlogs and entertainment. Earning money on YouTube can come from YouTube ad revenue, creating sponsored posts for brands, selling your own digital products, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. The sixth idea on the list is subscription boxes. This business model involves curating and sending themed boxes to subscribers on a regular basis, typically monthly. You can create a box for almost any niche, from beauty and fashion to food and hobbies. Building a loyal subscriber base is essential for long-term success, so make sure you consistently deliver high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have marketable skills, offering freelance services is an excellent way to start an online business. From graphic design and web development to writing and marketing, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer can help you find clients and showcase your work. The next idea on the list is mobile app development. If you have coding skills or a brilliant app idea, this could be the online business for you. You can create apps for various purposes, from gaming and productivity to health and wellness. Monetize your app through in-app purchases, advertising, or by offering a premium version. To succeed in this competitive market, focus on creating a user-friendly and engaging app that solves a real problem or entertains users. Next up is social media management. As businesses recognize the power of social media, many are looking for experts to manage their accounts and develop effective marketing strategies. So if you have a knack for creating engaging content and growing an online following, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. You can offer services such as content creation, posting schedules, and analytics reporting. To attract clients, create a professional website showcasing your skills and past work. Becoming a virtual assistant is another great online business idea. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs handling tasks like email management, data entry, and customer service. You can specialize in a specific industry or offer general services depending on your skills and preferences. Platforms like Belay and Time ETC can help you connect with clients and start your virtual assistant business. So those are 10 of the many types of online business ideas for aspiring entrepreneurs who are trying to decide just what type of online business to start. Keep in mind that there are so many more options, even beyond the ones mentioned in this video, that you can explore. And no matter which path you choose, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and persistence to build a thriving online business. But with passion and determination, you can turn your dream into a reality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more actionable tips, resources, and insights on starting and growing your online business. Leave a comment and let me know which idea resonates with you the most, or if you have any other suggestions on online business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.